Okay, here we go. Got a box of 2015 Topps Archives Baseball for fbgc. Good luck, buddy. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Will Ferrell. Looking for some Will Ferrell. Chris Bryant. I don't know if there'll be enough time. Keith Helberman, he'll be after it. He loves Topps Archives. Archives and Heritage, right? There's someone sold the complete set for like $200-300. I saw on completed listings. There's only 10 of them. Well, that's enough to make me want to buy the Indians. The autographed ones, yeah. They're only numbered to 10. So, I mean, there's only 100 of them total. I sold the Will Ferrell spot, so it was only $15 for a half case. I figured someone would take a shot on that. I didn't want to make it gaudy. Roberto. All right, here we go, buddy. Good luck. Oh, you got a 101. Save it for last. It's a plate. Ooh, Sean Green. Sean Green auto. Dodgers fan favorite. These feel like stickers, like they're supposed to peel off or something. They call him the Shark. Sonny Gray, #1 pick. Frank Thomas. Apparently Topps is going to use this picture of Frank for every product this year. I don't think a person can look bigger than that. Gigantosaurus. Hit by pitch. Anthony Rizzo. Right? That's Rizzo. Babe. Will Ferrell, Reds. Mike Schmidt, Ken Griffey Jr. Man. Bryce Brents, Adrian Gonzalez. No roids for Frank. Harry S. Truman. I like where your head's at. I see what you did there. That was clever. Little Jack. Jake Lamb. Tony Oliva. Buyback. I like the buybacks that are roughed up a little bit. Just so you know that it's a buyback. I don't know why I feel the need to sleeve a beat up card, but gotta make sure it doesn't get dinged. Mike Trout. Willie Stargell. Pops. Ty Cobb. Wow. Maybe I didn't notice, but there's a lot of old guys in here. Buck Farmer. Buster Posey. Anthony Renato? They don't even say the names on these. Yeah. Lou Gehrig. Abraham Lincoln. Rendon. Yes, thank you. Are there any Gary Carter? Sparky Lyle. Got a fan favorite. Sparky Lyle. You said you wanted a Yankee. Look at those chops, man. Huh. That is Dalton Pompey, 1990 tops. Cyan printing plate. Magenta, Dalton Pompey, 1 of 1. Magenta printing plate. There you go. So, magenta printing plate, Dalton Pompey, Sparky Lyle, Sean Green, Will Ferrell for the Reds. Abe, Rendon, Posey, Farmer, Gomez, Oliva, Lamb, S. Truman, Gonzalez, Rizzo, Sonny Gray, and the Fish. There you go. Thank you very much, FBGC.